What's up, y'all? I want to break something down real quick. All right, it says, right, that, let's see, Kelly engaged in sexual contact and sexual acts, to those defined in Title 18 with minor 1, minor 2, minor 3, minor 4, and minor 5 when they were each under the age of 18. However, it says between in or around 98 and or in around 2002. Kelly recorded himself on video engaging in sexual contact with and sexual acts with minors, including minor 1, 2, 4, and 5. Now, they have to prove what year he filmed this in, right? So let's check out minor 1. Minor 1 met Kelly around 96 or 97 when minor 1 was either 12 or 13. I'm sorry. So let's do the math here, y'all. Let's do the math. Okay, in 97, she was 13, right? So 98, she would have been 14. 99, she would have been 15. 2000, she would have been 16. 01, she would have been 17. 02, she would have been 18. They have to prove that he didn't do that in 02. All right, let's go to minor 2. In 97, she was 17. So we already know she was 18 in 98. We can skip that one, right? All right, minor 3. In 96, she met him in 96 when she was 15. All right, so in 98, she would have been 17. In 99, she would have been 18. So they got to prove. I mean, it seems like she's off the books too, for real. You know what I'm saying? She's off the books. I mean, in 2000, she would have been 19. In 01, she would have been 20. In 02, she would have been 21. But however, she met him in 96 when she was 15. So that means in 98, she was 17. Okay? All right. Now, minor 4. She met him in 99 when she was 16. So, all right. So we know 98. They didn't do the tape in 98. Okay. So in 99, she was 16. In 2000, she was 17. In 01, she was 18. In 02, she was 19. They have to prove that this tape was not done in 01 or 02. You understand? All right. Now, minor 5. In 97 or 98 is when the alleged victim met him, right? They was either 13 or 14. So in 98, they was 14. In 99, they was 15. In 2000, they was 16. In 01, they was 17. Now, if the tape was done in 02, that means they would have been 18. So, do y'all see the mathematics here? They have to prove what year he allegedly had sex with these people, and what year did the tape happen. So, let's go over this again. So, in case y'all missed it, with minor 1, okay, if that tape was done in 02, she would have been 18. All right. With minor 2, all right. If we already know if the tape was done in 98, she would have been 18 because she met him in 97 when she was 17. So she was grown. Minor 2 is off the books. All right, now minor 3. Minor 3 met him in 96 when she was 15. So if that tape was done in 99, that means she was 18. They have to prove that the tape was not done in 99. All right, now minor 4. 99, she met him when she was 16. So they have to prove that that tape was not done in 01. The victim would have been 18. And then we know minor 5, they have to prove that that tape wasn't done in 02, and they would have been 18. They did this to themselves, y'all. The range is from 98 to 02. So when people sit here and say that, oh, he did it, no, they have to prove this in court. Just what I've been telling y'all. They have to prove what year these tapes were done in. And I just did the numbers to y'all. I just read the numbers to y'all. So y'all got us, y'all, and as far as some other people, right? As far as this fake ID stuff. Now, the mistake of age defense in Illinois, right? The defendant has to prove or have to have a good reason why they thought the victim was over 17, right? What better reason than a fake ID? I don't understand it. If you got into the courtroom with a fake ID, how can you expect R. Kelly to know that you had a fake ID? I mean, we got to stop playing these games here. We got to stop acting like that listen, y'all. We know what this is about. We know what this is about. I done told y'all. The behind the curtain. Big business corporation machine shit, y'all. Big business corporation machine shit. They are stacking the deck against this dude because it's all about money. When the man asked for his masters, allegedly, when he asked for his masters, that's when this conspiracy came. That's when Surviving R. Kelly came. That's when Kim Fox solicited victims in the motherfucking media came. They got to prove, matter of fact, that he even knows these victims that Kim Fox solicited. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a good possibility, y'all, that people that don't even know this man, once they heard Kim Fox come on that media, they could have called in on that line, called that hotline, and made up some shit. That's a good, it's a big possibility that could have happened, y'all. So we gotta stop looking at this thing with our emotions, man. We can't look at it with our emotions. We have to actually read what they're putting in front of us. Read what they're putting in front of us. They have to prove what year these tapes were done in. And that's all I'm going to say. Peace. Actually, I got one more thing to say, y'all. As far as that fake ID stuff, right? In the state of Illinois, it is a class 4 felony to use a fake ID, which carries, let's see, it can be a class 4 felony and carry, I think, up to like $25,000 fine. So let me get this straight. You committed a crime, and then you say a crime was committed on you, but you committed a crime as well. So I don't understand. How does that work, y'all? How does that work? If both parties committed a crime, allegedly, then how do they proceed with that? What's the procedure for that? But for real though, man, there's to me, I don't quite understand what they're saying. They're saying, right, that he recorded himself on video engaging in sexual contact and sexual acts with minors, including minor 1, minor 2, minor 4, and minor 5. However, it says video 1, video 2, video 3, and video 4 depict R. Kelly engaged in sexual contact and sexual acts with minor 1 when minor 1 was under the age of 18. It only says minor 1. At least that's what it seems. I don't get it, y'all. I don't get it. Remember when Attorney Greenberg was saying that it seemed like the same tape. That it's the same tape. That all 4 videos are the same tape. That's what I'm thinking, y'all. I'm thinking this copies. It's the same tape. Copies of the same tape. They gotta prove that as well. They gotta make sure they date stamps is accurate. And they got to make sure that, they saying that it's so many different times where he retrieved child pornography, but it seemed like he was buying. What they're saying is it seemed like he was receiving the same tape over and over. Well, the same tapes over and over, I should say. At least that's what it seemed like to me. I don't know. I don't know what y'all think. Peace.